What is your name and your company?
Dana Weiss. I'm with PuroClean Emergency Restoration Company.
Okay, and what made you decide to join CAI?
Well, we want to get to know more property managers and be able to help them out with their losses. I also, call on insurance agents as well and brokers and property managers.
Wonderful. Why do you stay involved with CAI?
Well, for one, I've met some really wonderful people through this organization, and it is something that I feel passionate about to clean and property managers. So,
Absolutely. And what's your favorite part of our chapter?
I love the lunches.
That's some of ours too.
I guess Taco Tuesday, whatever, at Rosalita Cantina.
Yeah, wonderful.
And it's always for a good cause. So I never, feel guilty going to Rosalita's and having good tacos and helping out.
And the informative classes they put on during those lunches.
Yes, I've learned a lot.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Dana.